Hello everyone, Kolonji Murray with TaxAssurances. Just wanted to do a helpful video around investment income, gains and losses when it comes to tax preparation. So every tax season I have multiple clients that come and see me regarding their brokerage accounts. So they've got Fidelity or Schwab or any number of brokerage accounts that are out there. And they want to know how to kind of handle the gains and losses that happen on during the course of the year on their brokerage account. So what I'll do is I'll take what's called a 1099, and that's the most important part of the process. As long as you're dealing with a broker, they're going to provide a year-end statement that's going to summarize how much activity happened in the account during the year. So say, for instance, you got dividend income from any dividend yielding investments, if you've got any interest income from any savings or anything like that in the fund, in the account, I should say. But then obviously, if you have any gains or losses, the beautiful part about that year-end statement is it's going to summarize it for me as the tax preparer so that we can accurately reflect what has happened during the course of the year. Most of the activity is going to show up on what's called a Schedule D, and that's simply going to reflect, again, how much was made and lost during the course of the year. There are some restrictions. So say, for instance, you had major losses in the account. You can only write off $3,000 for that particular year. However, you can carry forward those losses into the future until you extinguish them. But on the other side, if you have major gains, so let's say, for instance, you invested $100,000, it grew to $250,000, you're now having to pay taxes on that $150,000. And then someone like me is going to really sit down with you and kind of go over how that tax gain also plays in with the rest of your income and the rest of your activity on your tax return for that particular year. If you've got a spouse, how that's involved as well. So again, that's kind of the basics of reporting investment activity on your brokerage account during the course of the year on your tax return. If you've got more questions, I would love to help. But until then, take care.